Good morning, class. As yesterday we have started with chapter 10, Beauty and the Beast part 2, and we have already done scene 4. Now today we are going to start with scene 5. Now before starting scene 5 today, let us go through a quick revision of scene 4 that we have read yesterday. In scene 4, the merchant and George return with a treasure of gems and with a rose for a beauty which Beast had given them in return of promise that they will send one of his 3 girls to him. When George and Merchant returned to their home, each and everyone was very happy to see them, and Merchant gave a rose into the hands of Beauty, and he said that I have one bad news and one good news also for you. Now, good news was that they were rich again, and the bad news was that he have to send one of his 3 girls to him, otherwise he would die because Beast would kill him. Now, Beauty said that he will go to the Beast because his father has taken risk because of her only, and the Beauty said that he would go to Beast and he would keep father's promise. With Beauty, George also says that I will keep her safe and I will go with her to keep her safe. George goes with the Beauty to the Beast house, and I hope scene 4 is clear to all of you. Now today we are going to start with scene 5. In this scene 5, Beauty and George both have went to the house of the Beast, and this scene starts after 2 months later, when Beauty and George have went to the Beast house. Now let us begin with the explanation of scene 5 from our books. Okay, now today we are going to start with scene 5. This is on page number 111. As yesterday we have ended where George said that he will be going with Beauty to the castle for her safety. Now let us begin with scene 5. This scene is some months later. This scene after some months in Merchant house. Merchant: I do hope Beauty and George are happy and safe. Merchant said, I hope that both Beauty and George are happy and safe in the castle of Beast. Jack: Yes, they have been gone 2 months now, and they have already been there since 2 months, because this scene is after some months, that is 2 months after. Joseph: I hope the Beast has been treating Beauty well. I hope that Beast might be treating Beauty very well. Merchant: I hope so. I hope so. It's all my fault. Merchant said that it was all my fault. Because of me, Beauty have gone there, and now I am sick and dying. Merchant said, because of me, Beauty have gone there, and now I am sick and dying because of her. Jack: Don't say that, father. Jack said, don't say all that, father. Merchant: But it's true. My only wish is that the Beast will allow Beauty to come home to visit me for a day or 2 before I die. Merchant said, it's true that I am dying because of Beauty, and my wish is only to meet Beauty, and Beast should send Beauty to me to come to home to visit me for 1 or 2 days before I die. The door opens and George enters, followed by Beauty. And when the merchant was saying that it's my wish to meet Beauty, the door opens and George and Beauty enters from there. George: Hello everyone, I am back, and look who I have with me. George said, Hello everyone, I am back, and see whom I am having with me. Merchant: Beauty at last. My wish has come true, and I am over and means I am extremely very happy to see you here. Overjoyed to see you. Merchant said that Beauty, my wish has come true and I am very happy and I am glad to see you at my place. Beauty, oh father, what a delight to see you. Beauty also said that, oh father, I am also delighted to see you too. But you look ill, father, dear father. Beauty said, I am also very excited and I am also very happy to see you. But I hope that you are ill. Merchant, yes, my dear. Merchant said, yes, I am ill. But seeing you again has brought new life into my old body. Merchant said, yes, I am sick, but after seeing you again at my home, I have got a new life into my old body. June. And is that a new dress you are wearing, Beauty? June only looks to the dresses, and June asks to the Beauty that, is it the new dress that you are wearing, Beauty? April, I suppose the Beast gave it to you. And did he give you that necklace too? April said, I hope the Beast have given you that dress and the necklace which you are wearing, that Beast only have given you. Merchant, does he treat you well, Beauty? Is he kind to you? Merchant said, does he treat well to you? And is he kind to both of you? Beauty, oh yes, father. I stay in a locked room in a castle. Beauty said, I stay in a locked room. That room has been locked. He brings me food every day and leaves it outside my room. Beauty said, he brings me food each and every day and he keeps that food outside my room. He sits outside my door and talks to me. He sits outside the door and talks to me every day. Every day he asks me to be his wife. And each and every day the Beast asks Beauty to be his wife. I am to stay locked in my room till I agree. He said, I am to stay locked in my room until and unless I agree to marry the Beast. But he is kind, father. He said, he is very kind. He gives me presents. He gives me some of the gifts. He does not frighten me at all because I have never seen him. He said he does not frighten me, that he does not says me anything because I haven't seen that Beast ever. Because Beauty haven't seen the Beast. He just keeps the food outside the room and he talks sitting outside the room. Each and every day he asks him to be his wife. George, nor have I, father. George, nor I have, father. I stay in an old barn near the castle. George, I haven't seen her, father also. George also said that he haven't seen the Beast also because he stayed in a farm building used for storing the goods. He stays in that building near the castle. I get fed well, but the Beast never talks to me and let me see his face. George said, I get each and everything well. I get the food well, I get being fed well, but I haven't seen the Beast because he never talks to me and he never let me show his face. Merchant, well, I can tell you, he is not a pleasant sight to behold. Merchant said, I can only tell you that he can only give a sense or a satisfaction of being happy, but he is not at a sight to behold. Let us turn the page and move to page number 112. Beauty, but he has a heart of gold, father. Beauty said, but he has a heart of gold. I want for nothing. He is kind and generous, and he says he loves me deeply. Beauty said that the beast have a heart of a gold, and he is very kind to me, and he also being generous to me, that he has larger and more plentiful than usual, that he is always being giving more to me, and he always says that he loves me deeply. June, and he gives you ever more beautiful things. June said, and he might be giving you more beautiful things. Merchant, I am happy to see you are well. Beauty, but why have you returned? Merchant said, I am happy to see you, that you are well, but why have you returned to me? Beauty, somehow the beast knew that you are ill, father. Beauty said that the beast came to know that you are ill. He gave me the permission to come home, but I must return in 7 days because I promised. Beauty said that somehow beast came to know about your illness, and he have asked me to return within 7 days as I have promised this to him. April, no, you must stay here longer with us. April said, no, you don't need to go there. You have to stay longer with us. June, yes, it would not be right to leave their father when he is so ill. June said that it might not be right to leave your father like this when he is so ill. You can look after him. June said, you can look after him. April, and why should you be so happy when we are not? April said that why should you be happy when we are not happy? So here we end with scene 5 today of chapter 10, that is Beauty and the Beast part 2. Now tomorrow we are going to start with scene 6. Now homework for you all is you have to read both scene 4 and scene 5 in your homework, and you have to ask me if you have any doubts regarding these two scenes. Thank you.